Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4 to come with a single hinge design for more durability. The South Korea giant is set to launch the next generation Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4 smartphone in the coming month. Now Sam will give you information.
In the latest leak, it is being reported that the Galaxy Z Fold4 will come with a single hinge design. This means that the company is cutting down on the movable parts on the smartphone to reduce the chances of mechanical failure and offer more durability. The report adds that instead of using the extra reinforced wing hinges at the end, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4 may have a single hinge, resulting in a thinner as well as lighter smartphone design. It is being said that the company will keep using KH as the primary supplier of the hinges. Recently, a leak claimed that the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold series foldable smartphone from the company will have a stronger material for the display, which will enable it to support the regular S Pen stylus. It is expected to arrive with a more durable version of ultra thin glass (UTG), which could be marketed as the Super UTG. Samsung is apparently planning to ship around 13 million units of the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold4 and Galaxy Z Flip4 smartphones in 2022, which is significantly more than the 7 million units shipped by the company for the Galaxy Z Fold3 and Flip3 last year.